how to change subtitles, text size, color, or font styles on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, you want to go in and tap on settings. Okay, so tap on settings, then we scroll down and tap on accessibility. After that, we go down and then tap on subtitles and captioning. Then tap on style. In here, there are some preset style that you could use. Large text, classic, outline text, style. So if you want to change the text size or any other style, you can create new style. You can give your style a name. So here I'll say my style, for example. And then we go down and tap on font. So here choose a font that you would like to use. Courier, Helvetica, Menlo, and so on. So choose a font style that you like, or you can use this system default font style. Next, we can go down and select a size. So we got small size, medium size, which is the default. Then you got large and extra large. And here you can also turn on video override. When a size is specified by a video, use that size. And after that, you can go back. Next, we can tap on color. And here you can change the color of your text. Again, you can turn on or turn off video override. So here you can choose yellow if you like yellow, or white. White is the default subtitle color. And that's it. So after that, you can go down and change the background color as well. So here we've got background color, black. We can set to white, green, and so on. And then you can also change the opacity. At the moment it's at 0%, that's at 75%, 100%, or 50%. And next, let's see what else you can do. You can change the text opacity, text edge style. So here we've got raise, drop shadow, none, depress, uniform, drop shadow, raise. So select one of the style that you would like to use. Otherwise, you can select none. So none is the default style. And then we go back. And you got the text highlight as well. So here you can have the text highlight. So from here you can choose the opacity, 25%. So that was looks like. And here 0% is the default. And that is how you can customize your text style for subtitles and captioning. And that's it. After you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.